Hey guys, welcome to eComHardy.com. This is Hardik Patel, and this is the second part of how to create your own e-commerce website to sell the products online using the Shopify. So we're gonna create full functional running website using the Shopify here. In the second part of tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create a product from the Shopify dashboard. So let's get started. Here I have dashboard. Under dashboard, I select products. I have already created a lot of products and I have imported some of the products from my WooCommerce website. If you want to learn that, check out the link given in description below, or check out this particular link here. Shows up on this page when you click add product, and I'll show you next what exact things you will require. So to create the product, you will require first of all images. So in my case, when I open this tab and download, I already have the images handy here. Okay, so you can have some of the images, or you can take pictures of your products and you can use those pictures and import to create the product. Now the product I want to create is something similar to, I have one of the existing products. So this is the existing product I have. I want to create the similar one. So instead of 12,000 pieces, I want to create 36,000 pieces of this 3mm glass beads. So what I'll do is I'll open new tab. Under the new tab, I'll search for that particular product. Is already here. Open for the reference. So I already have this one now. What I'll do is I copy the title, but in your case, if you don't know, or if you want to create the whole new title, you can create yourself. 36,000 pieces, 3mm glass seed beads, 24 colors loose beads. Now want to add the images first. So go to your computer dashboard, select all the images you want to add, okay, and then open. The images are being added, but this is not the correct option I want to go with. What I'll do is I'll select all images, delete them. For SEO purpose, what I'll do is I copy the title name, okay. I'll go to my desktop, and where the images are, I select all the images I want to upload. I select all and then right click. Once I right click on that, I click to rename the image and rename all the images I want to upload. Okay. Now it's the time I can upload the images. So what I do is simply upload now. Select all the images. They have been renamed to the particular product name. This is good because for the SEO purposes, if someone search for that particular product online on Google, by the image search result also show up in the search result. Now I want to create the description. So what it includes in your case could be anything. I have already written the description handy here. So instead of writing and copy pasting this description, I have something very helpful tip here, which will help you a lot. In this case, I will use the ChatGPT. Okay. And let me paste this description here for now. Instead of 12,000 pieces, I will change it to 36,000 for now because I want to add 36,000 pieces kit. This description, I don't do anything. Before that, shift enter, and before that I will put the command saying like, please so customer purchase this item quickly, and that's my command. And after giving that prompt, I will add the description here and then enter. That way, when I do so, the ChatGPT will create the description here. Okay. Now this description is in HTML format. Don't worry, if you haven't put any HTML formatting here, then it will be in the simple format. If it's in simple format, you simply copy here and go to your product page and paste it here. But because it's in HTML format, I click here and show HTML and I paste it like that. Okay, and then close the HTML formatting. If you see here now, the description itself is changed to nice formatting here. In your case, it would be plain formatting. Then what you have to do is select each and everything and change the formatting of those particular names or parts you highlight. Once the description is done, you come on to the right side here and publishing part, you select manage sales channels. By the way, automatically Shopify selects all the sales channel, so you don't have to do anything if you want to go with all the sales channel. But if you want to remove any particular sales channel like POS or something, you can always deselect here and then done. In my case, I would like to keep it as it is, so I close this. Status is active. Product category is beads, of course. I will keep the same suggested category, but product type is glass beads, maybe. Okay, in your case could be anything else. Vendor, I would say Chicky Mickey, but you don't have to do anything. If there is only one vendor, simply leave it blank. Collections, if you haven't created any collections yet, it will show up only homepage collection, which you don't want to select to. So I'll leave it blank as it is. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to create collections of the products you have, and it will add the relevant products automatically to those particular collections. Now tags, I will write beads and select all the tags I have in the result. If no text shows up, you simply click on Adds and it will add the tag. Now scroll down and select the pricing. So maybe I want to select to $35 and comparison price would be $49. This is the example pricing. Cost of the item maybe could be $15, just imagine. So profit is $20. Out of $20, if I remove the shipment fee, which is $9 or something, it would be $11 profit. Track quantity, shop location, so maybe 1. Continue selling without out of stock. No, this product has SKU. Yes, so you can write the SKU. So this is the SKU I created myself, maybe PCS, and instead of everything capital is good. If you have barcode handy, you can always create the barcode here. If you know the product weight, you can always write down the weight here. And if you have variants of this product, you can always make options, like if you have few variants of this product, like if you're selling t-shirt, which has black color t-shirt and also have white color t-shirt, you can always do so. If your t-shirt is in different sizes as well, like small size, okay, medium size, extra large, or something like that, you can click here, and then for each variance you give the pricing and quantity. For now, let's go with this one and see how does it look like. Okay, after creating these things, I will save the changes, and now the product has been created with variants. For the variants part as well, like you can expand all the variants, you can click and select. So just imagine you have few variants in black and few variants in white, but the color would remain the same. So I will, instead of selecting for each and every variant, I will select, maybe just imagine this is the black color, we'll select this one as black, and for white color I will select this one as white, or maybe this one, just imagine. So that way two different variants are having different colors. Now save changes, and once you save all the changes, let's see how the product looks like. So preview product, and now you see here the main image with all the rest of the images. By the way, in next videos I'm going to show you how to make changes to your product page and how to design your product page to more catchy, more nice looking, and more converting. So stay tuned for that. In variants, maybe here the white color variant doesn't have any products in stock, that's why it's 0. Only the black color variant small has 1 quantity available, that's why you see here black color small is in stock, only 1, whereas everything else is out of stock. You can do so, or I can add 2 quantity here, 3 of them here, 3 of them here, something like that, and make save changes. And once I do so, I just simply refresh the product page, and you see here black color has small one in stock, white color has medium one, and large one in stock, it shows. Customer can add to cart, view the cart, okay, and he can check out. Because this website is brand new, we haven't created the checkout page yet. Check out the links given in description for all these other steps or tutorials. There are few other things you can do with product page, but this is the basic product page you want to go with. Hope you enjoy watching this video, guys. Next video is all about how to create the collections with automated functionality, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys. Please thumbs up, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon if you haven't yet, and see you in next video.